In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add open to work on your LinkedIn profile. Let's say you're looking to explore new career opportunities and want potential employers to know you're open to conversations. LinkedIn offers a straightforward way to update your profile so recruiters can reach out to you. Let's dive in and explore how you can do this in just a few simple steps. First things first, open your web browser and head over to linkedin.com. If you haven't already logged in, you'll see that there are a couple of ways to sign in. You can either use your Google or Microsoft accounts, or simply log in using your email address and password. This flexibility really makes it easier based on whichever account you're more comfortable using. Now, in case you've activated two-factor authentication for added security, which is always a good idea, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity. This typically involves entering a code sent to your phone number, so have your device handy. This step just ensures that your account stays protected. After successfully logging in, locate your profile picture sitting comfortably in the upper right corner of the page. This avatar icon is your personal hub on LinkedIn, where all your profile settings can be accessed. Give it a click and from the drop down menu choose View Profile. This takes you to your profile page, which you'll start to customize. Right under your profile picture and headline is a button labeled Open To. This particular feature is quite useful for letting others know you're open to job opportunities. Give it a click. A drop down menu will appear and you'll see an option that says Finding a New Job. Select this option to continue. Next, you'll be guided through a form where you'll need to fill in some details. These details might include the types of roles you're interested in, locations you're willing to work in, and even the types of industries you're considering. Be as thorough as possible to give potential employers a clear idea of what you're looking for. Once you have filled in the necessary information, scroll down to the visibility settings. It's crucial to check your visibility preferences. Make sure you select all LinkedIn members. By doing this, you're ensuring that everyone on LinkedIn, not just recruiters, can see that you're open to work opportunities. This increases your chances of being noticed for the right job. Finally, double check everything to make sure your preferences are accurate and then click on Save. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your LinkedIn profile to show you're open to new job opportunities. This simple update will help you become more discoverable to potential employers and set the stage for new career possibilities. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further guidance.